Good morning. This is Rinki Mulchandani from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research, Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. So we are at the last computation from hexadecimal to decimal. So here we are going to convert the number from hexadecimal format to the decimal format. So after studying this topic, a student will be able to calculate and will be able to compute the decimal number from a given hexadecimal number. So let us see in detail what does it says. So here the number is written as 1a, 16 equals to question mark 10. So one has to find out the decimal number of the present hexadecimal number 1a. So one has to write, the very first step is write down the hexadecimal number. Nice. Again, starting with the least significant bit, that is the rightmost bit. So, sorry, least significant digit, not the bit, least significant digit, that is A. One has to write with the A, and A is to be multiplied by the digit, sorry, A has to be multiplied by the value of the position. So, this A will be having the value of the position as 16 raised to the power 0. 1 will be having the value of the position as 16 raised to the power 1. So we can write it here. A is equivalent to 10. So if we write A, it means 10 number of decimals. So what we can say here is we'll multiply it. So 1 into 16 raised to the power 1 plus 10 into 16 raised to the power 0. Further, we will calculate it. It's 1 into 16 plus 10 into 1. So 16 raised to the power 0 will always give me 1. Now when we will add the result, we will get the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So the given hexadecimal number was 1a. Now when we will calculate it, 1 into 16 plus 10 into 1 will give me 16 plus 10 equals to 26. So therefore 1a with the base hexa will give me the 26 of decimal number. In another way also we can write it. For example, here we have written the hexadecimal number. Now here the equivalent number of this alphabet is written 10. Now 10 into 16 raised to the power 0. So here the digit is multiplied by the value of the position. So what will be the value of the position of the rightmost digit will be the power of the base 16 raised to the power of the 0 in this case, and for 1 the position of the value or the value of the position will be 16 raised to the power 1, it will be 16. So 16 plus 10 will give me 26. So in this way we can convert the hexadecimal to the decimal, or we have converted the decimal of a given hexadecimal number. Now the second method shows that if we want to make it more simple and more easy to understand, the student can make use of this table. So in this table we have to write the following aspects or points. Very first point is power of the base 16, base exponential. So here it is written as 16 raised to the power 1, 16 raised to the power 0. In the second line we are going to write the weight, means what does this 16 raised to the 1 means. That means 16 into 1 will give me 16. 16 raised to the power 0 will give me 1. Now hexadecimal number as given in the question. So 1 I have written here, A I have written, and A is equal to 10. So 1 into 16 will give me 16, 10 into 1 will give me 10. So 16 plus 10 will give me 26. So this is how, hence proved in both the case, how we can solve it. So thank you.